Hey guys, me, Blaine, I'm back again, and today, it's also my buddy Ronnie here. He's helping me out in my workshop today. So anyways, today I'm wanted to come up with another idea for the trailer hitch cover on my 2020 Tesla Model Y. So what I've done is in the past, and I have another video that you can check out if you subscribe to my channel. Okay, as you can see, I got this door handle here and I installed it onto my cover for the tow hook receiver there, and it's the cover is really hard to take off. On the back of it, there's I think there was like 16 different clips on here, and when it went into the car, you had to use a screwdriver, a pry tool, you had to use something to get it off because there was no handle on it. So what I did is I installed a black square handle here, and I just drilled a hole in the back of it, attached it. And then I also cut off a few of the plastic clips here, and I can literally take it on and off really easily with just this handle. Now, personally, it doesn't bother me too much having this little black handle. You don't really see it on the car unless you're looking at it. So I wanted to come up with another idea to make it more of a flush mount handle and give it a try. So what I got here is I have another completely brand new cover for the hitch receiver area on my Tesla, and I'm going to take it, I'm going to try to use this little button here. If you're interested in this button, the link for it will be down below in the description, but what it is simply you push it in, push it out, push it in, push it out. So this should be flush on the cover, and then when I need it, I'm just gonna press that in. I can grab it, pull the cover out, put it back in. So let's play with this. Okay, so what I found is I went to Home Depot and I got this 3/4 inch PVC sleeve. Well, I'm going to have to take a little bit of sandpaper. I'm going to sand this circle down here because it's got to be able to go over this white part of this piece here. Now I've already taken the cap off, and this will have to go over that. Now I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to cut this off. Once I cut it off, well, before I cut it off, I'm going to install this through here so I can see how wide of a piece I need, and I will measure it and then I'll cut this off. Okay, so the first thing I did is I took a piece of wood here and I got a Forstner bit, and the size that I ended up using is a 1 1/8 bit. So I did take a piece of wood here and I took it and I put it into the wood and I tested it with this, and I know that the 1 1/8 will work for this right here. So the next thing I need to do, and which I already got the bit on my drill press there, is I'm going to measure this out. I'm going to try to find the center of this right here, and then I'm going to drill that hole right there. All right, so as you can see right there, I got my middle done. Now I'm going to take it over here to my drill press, and I'm going to try to drill this out and let's see what happens. Pretty easy. There you go, no issues. So I'll take this right there. How's that look? Not bad. See, you just be able to grab it. All right. So the next thing I need to do, Ronnie, you're in my way, is I need to see how much I need to cut off. Good job, buddy. So when I do this, this cap is going to have to press against it to make it tight. So obviously I don't want it right there. I want it just almost to the tip. So to do that, I need it to be 1, 2, hold on. Ronnie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Let's go with 5/8. The other thing I'm gonna have to do too is I am gonna have to sand inside this because it will have to go over this a little bit better, or go, slide over it. So I'm just gonna take my Dremel tool and Dremel that out a little bit. You can use some sandpaper, you can do anything, huh, Ronnie? Okay, so 5/8. Take a little sandpaper. Sand off that. Now, I think I'm still going to have to use the Dremel. There we go. All right, so you can see right here, my sleeve fits right over it. I'm going to tell you right now, well, look at that. It's working. So you can see it's pretty smooth. And now you got something to grab and pull it off. All right. So the next thing we have to do is, I know by the places that I cut these ones off back here, they work great. It goes on and off, it stays on, it's never fallen off. I've gone through the automatic car washes, everything. This has not came off with these exact ones cut off. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna match this up and I'm gonna cut off the same exact ones on this. Okay. So, if you want to pause the video right here, you can see exactly which ones I cut off and which ones I left on. These are all the clips. I cut off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut off 8 clips, or 8 little attaching points, and the rest of them should work. And you can see here how my little white sleeve stays in there. Got that screwed on, and that's it. It's not as obvious. All right, well, let's go out there and try it on the car. Let's try this one out. So I'm gonna take the button out, bring it up here. Look at that, it's in there. And the button stays. Now the dirt off. Button out. Comes right out. Let's try it again. A little tight. Just got to get it loosened up a little bit. There we go. Button in. Button out. There we go. This is the original one. Now it's been used a lot more, so it's going to come out and in a lot easier. See? This one here is a brand new cover. There we go. It's in. And button in. You got your flush look. Out. Wiggle a little bit and comes right out. Successful. Okay guys, so here is 2 choices you can try to do DIY yourself on making it easier to get your cover off for your tow receiver area there. So here I have the little square handle, comes on and off, and here I have the flush mount button right there. The link to this exact button is going to be down below in the description. You can get it on Amazon. It wasn't very expensive at all. The washer that I use back here, which is a piece of PVC pipe, that cost me about 55 cents. You will need the Forstner bit and the capability of being able to cut the washer here, but hey, it looks pretty good to me. I think I'm going to keep this one on the car for now. I have this one as a spare if anything happens, but anyways, what do you think? Leave your comments down below. If you haven't done so already, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, help out my channel, and until next time, guys, be safe, have fun, and most of all, keep driving. Thanks.